Welcome to the best picks. The best tub paint is probably one of the most affordable and effective ways to renovate your bathroom without breaking the bank or undergoing a major construction project. In this video, we will review the top bathtub paint kits on the market, comparing their ease of application, durability, and overall finish to help you choose the perfect one for your bathroom makeover. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Tub Kit. It's a complete refinishing solution for your tub and tiles. This 2-part epoxy acrylic formula is tough, durable, and easy to use. Get a beautiful, renewed finish quickly. You can prepare the surface and apply it all in the same day, saving you time and effort. For best results, make sure to mix parts A and B separately, then combine them for 2 minutes. Use it within 6 hours of mixing. Each kit covers up to 110 square feet. 2 coats are recommended for superior protection and a long-lasting finish. It's highly resistant to moisture and corrosion. Always work in a well-ventilated area. Open windows and use a fan to ensure proper air circulation while you're using it. Before you begin, properly prepare the surface and carefully read all instructions. This will ensure a smooth, professional-looking finish. It's designed to self-level, minimizing brush marks for a flawless, even coat. Wait 3 days before using the refinished surface. What we like? This kit uses a tough, 2-part epoxy formula that creates a resilient finish. It's perfect if you need a long-lasting solution that can withstand moisture and resist damage. If you're looking for a durable and reliable bathtub refinishing solution, this is the one for you. What people say? The finish is beautiful. With 2 weeks having passed since I used the kit, the result looks great and I highly recommend it. If you let the product sit for a few minutes, it goes on a bit better. First coat on just the tub, you could see brush lines and roller lines, but after the 3rd coat, it covered all that and looked very smooth. Number 4. Ekopel Pour On Kit. It offers a brilliant gloss finish that revitalizes your bathtub, giving it a new look. This ensures a durable, long-lasting surface for a pristine appearance. It's a safe and odorless option, perfect for indoor use. You can enjoy a worry-free refurbishment without compromising safety. It's built to last. It's engineered to withstand daily use and maintain its shine for years, making it a durable and long-lasting solution. It's incredibly easy to use. With a simple pour-on, single-coat application, you can easily rejuvenate your bathroom without professional help. It's made in the USA. This reflects superior craftsmanship and quality, ensuring reliable performance. What we like? This option boasts an odorless and non-toxic formula, making it safe for indoor use. It's also incredibly easy to apply with a single coat. If you value convenience and a safe, healthy application process, this kit is ideal for you. What people say? Great finish and look. Relatively easy to do. The paint is beautiful white and hard as a rock. Number 3. NADAMOO Refinishing Kit. Transform your bathroom or kitchen with ease. This complete kit has everything you need for a professional-looking finish. It includes a compound, hardener, gloves, brush, roller, and all the masking supplies you'll need. We've thought of everything to make your project stress-free. Simply mix the 2 parts, apply it with the brush or roller, and let it dry. It's that simple. It creates a semi-gloss, durable finish that will last. Wait 7 days for full cure before using with hot water. It works on a variety of surfaces, including porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, and more. Perfect for renters and homeowners alike. This kit uses a water-based formula, minimizing odor during application, creating a beautiful, long-lasting finish. 1 kit covers about 50 square feet. What we like? This kit comes with everything you need for a smooth DIY project. The water-based formula is low odor and easy to use. If you want a hassle-free, all-inclusive solution and prefer a less pungent application, this is a great choice. What people say? What a difference. Not only just in smell, this paint is barely noticeable in smell and less smelly than typical wall acrylic paint, but this paint is so much easier to apply than Rust-Oleum. It went on easily and was incredibly smooth. I used a light touch, preferring to use more coats as needed than a messy thick coat. I used 3 coats in total, and allowed 2 hours between coats. The kit provided everything needed, was easy to mix, apply and dry. As other reviews have stated, you have to do the prep work of sanding and cleaning. It does have a semi-gloss finish so can see more texture, however does seem to repel water well. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Tub Kit. Give your tub and tiles a fresh, new look with our easy-to-use paint kit. It's perfect for quick touch-ups and restoring that high-gloss shine. It offers a beautiful, long-lasting high-gloss finish that will make your bathroom look brand new. You'll love the renewed sparkle and shine. This paint dries quickly, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. Get back to enjoying your bathroom in no time. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear, providing a durable finish that lasts. Say goodbye to chipped and faded surfaces. It works on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, acrylic, cast iron, and steel. It's the versatile solution for all your tub and tile needs. With its simple application process, anyone can achieve professional-looking results. It's so easy, you'll be amazed. Please note that part of this kit comes partially filled, as designed. This ensures you have the perfect amount for touch-ups. What we like? This touch-up kit offers a quick-drying, high-gloss finish that's built to last. It's perfect for small repairs and touch-ups. If you need a fast, effective solution for minor imperfections, this is the one for you. What people say. I dropped a glass lid on the edge of my refinished clawfoot tub. It left a couple chips in the finish. I had used the full-size Rust-Oleum epoxy kit originally and it worked great and left a beautiful glossy finish. So I ordered the small repair kit and you can hardly tell where it was repaired. We had an older cast iron bathtub in a rental property. It had great depth, and would have been a nightmare to replace. This product filled the chip, and was much cheaper than having the whole tub reglazed. The product was fairly easy to use, but my application took just a dab, and the first coat wanted to run. Small amount, I recommend doing thinner coats numerous times. I had to fix an area the size of my hand that paint peeled back from refinishing previously. I used pretty much the whole amount. It is very bright white. Excellent coverage and self-leveling. Number 1. DWIL Tub Paint Kit. Give your bathroom a fresh, new look with our easy-to-use kit. It's perfect for updating tubs, tiles, and more. Everything you need is included for a smooth and easy refinishing process, even if you're a beginner. No need for special skills. It works on bathtubs, sinks, countertops, floors, and walls. Transform your bathroom surfaces with ease. Remember, it's not suitable for use on the underside of metal, artificial marble, or peeling surfaces. Please check your surface before starting. Work quickly. You'll need to finish within 1.5 hours of mixing, but it fully cures in 24 hours. Allow 7 days for complete drying before use. It boasts high adhesion, resists flaking and scratches, and cleans easily with a simple wipe. Enjoy a durable, long-lasting finish. This water-based paint has a low odor and low VOCs, making it a healthier choice for your home. Refresh your bathroom without harsh fumes. What we like? This kit provides a complete set of tools for a smooth application process. The water-based formula is low odor and easy to work with. If you're a beginner and want a user-friendly, low-odor option, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Packaging came with a roller, brush, plastic gloves, which were very helpful, tape with plastic attached, very useful, paint, and 2 hardening solution packs. Application went on easily. My first coat was a thin layer. I used the brush on the grout lines and then applied the roller. The difference was very visible. Coating. For my shower tub project, 1 container made 2 full coatings. I actually liked the 2 coatings and Hubs thought it was good enough. But I did see a bit of unevenness in my application in places. I used the second container to liberally apply a thicker 3rd coat. That was exactly what it needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.